It's not. Hello, welcome to Ashore Engine Services in the big UK. What do you do when your engine management light comes on? Have a look at this dash here, guys. Well, normally what you do is either you'd ring your local mechanic or your main agent, and basically they'd use a scan tool to find out what the actual faults are with that particular engine. Now, I've actually been contacted by many people wanting to know about fault codes and how to diagnose electrical fault codes, and they're actually quite straightforward. Now, if you were, say for instance, when your engine management light comes on and you take it to your main agent, they will charge you in and around £100 plus VAT just to read and scan that tool. Well, I've actually been sent a scan tool which can read your ECU, and it can also give you some live data which will give you information about your RPM and your mass airflow. So this scan tool, baby, is only £20 and it's available on Amazon. Now, I know a lot of you guys in Australia, you get charged $200 just for the mechanic to lift your bonnet. Well, this is what, $25, guys, look. And this, baby, plugs into just under your dash, under here, in your OBD scan tool. Now, one of the beauty about this machine is it doesn't even need batteries. It actually takes power from the car. So as you can see there, guys, look at the options we've got. So we're going to have a look, because we've got engine management light on. Got to turn the ignition on. Yeah. I'm going to look fault code look up. Read codes, crankshaft position A circuit, air intake temperature sensor, and mass airflow. So we've got 3 fault codes there, guys, but I've just unplugged them just to give you an indication. Right, so I've unplugged the sensors just so I can show you that it can pick up on a number of faults. Now, you've got to remember, guys, a diagnostic tool is not the be all and end all to your fault. There are actually 2 types of faults with a car: mechanical fault and electrical fault. Now, sometimes a code reader will guide you towards a mechanical fault, but you need your years of experience to be able to understand that. And this, so buying one of these tools will probably save you a fortune, because, you know, lots of sensors go faulty over a long period of time. Right, guys, so I'm going to go plug these sensors back in, and then I'm going to show you how to clear the fault codes and clear the lack of power and make sure that she's running absolutely perfect. Right, guys, so I've plugged all the sensors that I'd unplugged back in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clear the fault codes on the ECU. Yep, so we'll go back and we'll go to erase codes. That's okay. Ignition's on. All codes have been cleared. So come on, guys, for $25 or 20 quid, this little baby, I've got to admit, is absolutely fantastic. What I'll do now is turn and start the car on. Car starts instantly, and engine management lights off, and we've got full power. So we as mechanics spend thousands of pounds on snap-on diagnostic equipment, and really diagnostics is not that straightforward. You've got to understand how the vehicle responds and how components work with a particular vehicle to be able to diagnose it correctly. And the same with internal engine management problems are mechanical. So again, this code reader will not help you. when it comes to engine diagnosis, is what you really need to do is subscribe to his channel, go through all the videos that we've done, and we'll help you repair the car with nominal cost. And if you press the subscribe button down below, you get to see a lot more videos on how to help you. And in terms of where do you buy this from, look at the links below, and you can just click on the Amazon, and I would say for $25 it'll help you diagnose your car yourself, and you won't need a mechanic or a main agent ever again. So thanks for watching, guys. In my next video I've got a very, very strange 09 D22, or is it MP300, or is it a D40? That's going to be interesting test drive next. So big thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Find us on Facebook. If you need my help and assistance at all, please feel free to give me a call on 01274 663 999, or email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Thanks for coming, and watch for the next one.